Well, go on, everybody. Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Today we're going to talk about our promising rising track star, Brianna Lyston. Well, go on, this so. No, with our star female track athletes not in top form based on performances we've seen this year, many were looking forward to 20-year-old Brianna to medal at this year's Olympics. But recent cryptic Instagram posts by Brianna have many wondering what's happening and if she abandoned yard. No, note, Brianna is the fastest Jamaican woman in the 100 meter this year. So when she posted, "Thank you, 2024, Breezy signing out on Instagram," many were shocked and speculated. No, Brianna decided to end her 2024 season so early before the Jamaican National Championships from June 27 to 30 at the National Stadium in Kingston just not sit well with many Jamaicans. And as far as we know, Brianna has not released any official statements other than what's on her Instagram. Now, the 20-year-old announced her decision on Instagram on Sunday after participating in the NCAA Division I Outdoor Championship at Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon. This decision concludes an outstanding second college season for the former St. Jago and Hydel High star. It's no doubt that Brianna had a flawless indoor season, remaining unbeaten in eight 60-meter races from January 27 to March 9th. She won titles at both the SEC Indoor Championships and the NCAA Indoor Championships, setting a personal best of 7.03 at the latter. Moving outdoors, she delivered win aided times of 10.87 and 10.84 in her first two 100-meter races of the season on March 30 and April 20 at the Battle on the Bayou and the LSU Alumni Gold, respectively. No, brilliant season, right? At the SEC Championships a month later, Brianna achieved a personal best of 10.91 to win the 100-meter title and 22.37 to finish fourth in the 200-meter. And Brianna just shocked us after having such a great season. But we should note that Brianna's career is not without injury, so a possible reason could be that she's sitting out the rest of the year to protect her career's future. Many of us watched Brianna grow up on the track and rooted for her, so it's no surprise that Jamaicans are looking for a professional statement as to why she closed her season so early. Brianna continues to post cryptic messages on Instagram after Oral Tracy and several bloggers insinuated she is seeking to represent USA instead of good old Jamaica. If that's the case, she would need to get approval of the original national federations and other requirements would need to be met. When you know, guys, everybody speculate. Brianna post some stuff on her stats. She said get a grip after people attack Boshia left yard figure represent USA. We don't like to speculate. Or we try not to, as well as, try not to get into propaganda and so forth. So hopefully she'll release something that will clear the air. Now, many believe that Brianna should at least release some official statement. A lot of Jamaicans, them watch her and them root for her, when you really follow up somebody's career. It's just the nature of the sport. You expect professionalism, you expect clarity because at the end of the day, it is a career, but it's a career that is supported by many, right? But we should also remember that Brianna is 20 in the age of social media, and we can't blame her for being young and doing what the young does. Nonetheless, we wish Brianna the best in whatever path she chooses and hope she is healthy and well. Alright, guys, what are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments. Do you think she's going to represent somebody else, another country? Even though she posted that, that song as we post here and she said get a grip and so forth. Or probably she's just protected herself. People are saying that she's not injured. Who knows? We wish Brianna the best. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you want more content like this, let us know by thumbing up or commenting. We'll chat pretty soon. Have a blessed one.